We guide you through how to refund payment on PayPal in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal app or go to paypal.com and log in into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, tap or click on Activity because this is where all your recent transactions are listed. Now, find the payment you want to refund. You can scroll or use the search bar if you receive a lot of payments. After selecting the transaction, look for the refund button. If you don't see it, the payment may already be refunded or it could be older than 180 days, which is PayPal refund limit. Next, choose the refund amount. You can either issue a full refund or enter a partial amount if you only need to return part of the payment. Confirm the details carefully, especially the amount, because once processed, the refund cannot be cancelled. Then, click Issue Refund and PayPal will immediately start sending the money back to the original payment method, whether that was a PayPal balance, bank account, or credit card. Most refunds appears instantly in the buyer's PayPal balance, but bank and card refunds can take several business days depending on the provider.